Maybe you should put Elmo on the table.
Uh-oh.
What? Is the Elmo... Here, put Elmo on the table.
Uh-oh.
What? Is he not working?
Da.
Do you want Mommy to fix Elmo?
Da.
What do you say?
Nanny.
There he goes. There he goes.
Uh-oh.
Come on, Elmo.
Uh-oh.
I don't know. Oh, give me my camera. Savannah.